Welcome back. In this video, we're making strawberry banana breakfast pastries. 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Blend until smooth. Brush a puff pastry shell with egg wash. Onto 1/2 goes the cream cheese mixture. Then add 1 teaspoon of strawberry banana jam. Fold the other half over the mixture. Press down with your hands to seal. Crimp the edges with a fork. Brush the top with egg wash. A few slits on top to vent. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. In both of these bowls, I have 2 tablespoons of milk. Into one, 1.5 tablespoons of banana powder. Into the other, 1.5 tablespoons of strawberry powder. Pour into the reserved cream cheese mixture. And there's your glaze 2 different ways. Drizzle the glaze over the pastries using a zester, freeze-dried strawberries, and freeze-dried bananas. And there we have it, strawberry banana breakfast pastries. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.